How much to order economic order quantity models. The question of how much to order can be determined by using an economic order quantity EOQ model. EOQ models identify the optimal order quantity by minimizing the sum of certain annual costs that vary with order size and order frequency. Three order size models are described here. Number 1, the basic economic order quantity model, the economic production quantity model, and number 3, the quantity discount model. It is also the expenses incurred to create and process an order to supplier. These costs are included in the determination of the economic order quantity for an inventory item. Example of ordering costs are as follows: cost to prepare, purchase requisition, cost to prepare a purchase order. Basic economic order quantity model. The basic economic order quantity is the simplest of the three models. It is used to identify a fixed order size that will minimize the sum of the annual cost of holding inventory and ordering inventory. The unit purchase price of items in inventory is not generally included in the total cost because of the unit cost is unaffected by order size unless quantity discounts are a factor. If holding costs are specified as a percentage of unit cost, then unit cost is indirectly included in the total cost as a part of holding cost. Number 1, only one product is involved. Number 2, annual demand requirements are known. Number 3, demand is spread evenly through the year so that the demand rate is reasonable constant. Number 4, lead time is known and constant. Number 5, each order is received in a single delivery. And number 6, there are no quantity discounts. This is also companies should purchase to minimize inventory costs such as holding costs, storage costs, and order costs. The formula assumes that demand, ordering, and holding costs all remain constant. Economic production quantity. The batch mode is widely used in production. Even assembly operations, portions of the work are done in batches. The reason for this is that in certain instances, the capacity to produce a part exceeds the part's usage or demand rate. As long as production continues, inventory will continue to grow. In such instance, it makes sense to periodically produce such items in batches or lots instead of producing continually. The assumptions of the EPQ mode are similar to those of the EOQ model, except that instead of orders received in a single delivery, units are received incrementally during production. The assumptions are: number 1, only one product is involved. Number 2, annual demand is known. Number 3, the use rate is constant. Number 4, use occurs continually but production occurs periodically. Number 5, the production rate is constant when production is occurring. Number 6, lead time is known and constant. And lastly, number 7, there are no quantity discounts. It is also known as determines the quality. A company or retailer should order minimize total inventory cost by balancing the inventory holding cost and average fixed ordering cost. Quantity discounts. Quantity discounts are price reductions for large orders offered to customers to include them by buying in large quantities. For example, a Chicago surgical supply company publishes the price list shown in table 13.2 for boxes of gauze strips. Notice how the price per box decrease as order quantity increases. When quality discounts are available, there are number of questions that must be addressed to decide whether to take advantage of a discount. These include: number 1, will storage space be available for additional items? Number 2, will obsolescence or deterioration be an issue? And number 3, can we afford to tie up extra funds in inventory? It is also an incentive offered to a buyer that results a decreased cost per unit of goods materials were purchased in greater number. A quality discount is often offered by sellers to entice customers to purchase in large quantities.